Ever wonder why maintaining a healthy diet feels like an uphill battle? If you're nodding in agreement, it's likely you're not alone. Many of us grapple with the daily challenges of finding time to cook, the monotony of eating the same meals, or simply the lack of inspiration to create healthy dishes. But what if there was a way to overcome these obstacles? Enter the world of meal prepping. This isn't some culinary fad. It's a practical, time-saving strategy that could revolutionize your approach to healthy eating. Imagine having a week's worth of nutritious, tasty meals at your fingertips, all prepared ahead of time. No more last-minute takeouts, no more unhealthy snacking, just pure, wholesome food that's ready to eat when you are. Meal prepping can be a real game changer, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet and kickstart your weight loss journey. It's not rocket science. In fact, it can be quite fun and satisfying. So, are you ready to embark on a week of delicious, healthy, and hassle-free meals? To start off, planning is key in meal prepping. Let's dive into our 7-day meal plan, designed to nourish your body and support your weight loss journey. Day 1 begins with a vibrant green smoothie for breakfast, packed with spinach, banana, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. This smoothie is not only delicious, but also provides a great balance of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to kickstart your day. For lunch, we have a colorful quinoa salad with a variety of vegetables, offering a wide spectrum of vitamins and minerals. Dinner is a lean chicken breast served with a side of sweet potatoes and broccoli, providing a perfect balance of protein, complex carbs, and fiber. Day 2 kicks off with an energizing bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of chia seeds. The fiber-rich oats and berries will keep you full, while the chia seeds add a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. For lunch, we have a filling chickpea salad with lots of crunchy veggies, and dinner is a delicious salmon fillet with a side of brown rice and green beans. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon are excellent for heart health, and the brown rice is a fantastic source of whole grains. The rest of the week follows a similar pattern, alternating between breakfast smoothies and oatmeal, diverse salads for lunch, and lean protein with veggies and a complex carb for dinner. Snacks include options like Greek yogurt with honey and almonds, hummus with carrot sticks, or an apple with a spoonful of peanut butter. The beauty of this plan is that it's flexible. Feel free to swap out any ingredients you don't like or are allergic to. Just remember to keep the balance of nutrients in mind. Each meal in this plan has been carefully selected for its nutritional benefits. From the fiber in the oatmeal to the protein in the chicken breast, these meals are designed to provide a balance of nutrients, keep you satisfied, and aid in weight loss. With this plan, you're just steps away from a week of healthy eating. Now, let's get to the fun part, cooking. We're going to demonstrate how to prepare each meal, explaining the importance of each ingredient and how they contribute to a balanced diet. You'll see just how simple and quick these recipes are. Let's kick things off with breakfast. We're making a power-packed smoothie. We'll start with a handful of spinach, a fantastic source of iron and fiber. Next, we add in a banana for a dose of potassium and a natural sweetness. A spoonful of almond butter contributes healthy fats and protein, while a splash of almond milk keeps the consistency perfect. Blend it all together, and there you have a nutritious, delicious start to your day. For lunch, we're whipping up a vibrant quinoa salad. Quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein, and it's also rich in fiber. We'll toss it with some cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and bell peppers, all of which are low in calories but high in vitamins. Then, we finish it off with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of olive oil. This dish is as flavorful as it is healthful. Next, dinner. We're preparing a grilled chicken with steamed vegetables. Chicken is a lean source of protein that aids in muscle growth and recovery. We're pairing it with a variety of steamed vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and zucchini. They're packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. A sprinkle of your favorite herbs and spices can add loads of flavor without adding calories. And let's not forget about snacks. For a midday pick-me-up, we're making hummus with carrot sticks. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are full of fiber and protein. Carrots, on the other hand, are low in calories and high in vitamin A. Together, they make a perfect, satisfying snack. Lastly, for a dessert that won't derail your diet, we're making a bowl of mixed berries. Berries are low in calories, high in fiber, and they're a natural source of sweetness. You can top them with a dollop of Greek yogurt for an extra protein punch. All of these meals are easy to make, and more importantly, they're designed to keep you nourished and satisfied while helping you reach your weight loss goals. They're proof that eating healthy does not mean sacrificing flavor or spending hours in the kitchen. Remember, the key to meal prepping is to keep it simple. Choose foods that you enjoy, that are easy to prepare, and that align with your health goals. This not only makes it easier to stick to your plan, but it also makes the process far more enjoyable. And voila, your meals for the week are ready in no time. Now that we have our meals ready, let's talk about storage and reheating. Storing your meals properly is the secret sauce to preserving their freshness and quality. Let's dive into some practical tips. First up, always store your meals in airtight containers. These containers can be glass or BPA-free plastic. Glass is a great choice because it doesn't stain or hold odors, but if you're on the go, BPA-free plastic containers might be more convenient due to their lighter weight. Next, separate hot food into smaller containers before refrigerating. This will help it cool more quickly, reducing the risk of bacteria growth. Once your food has cooled, pop it in the fridge. Try to keep your fridge temperature below 40 degrees Fahrenheit to slow down the growth of spoilage bacteria. Now let's get to the reheating part. It's not just about getting your food hot enough to be tasty, it's also about maintaining the nutritional value. Here's the rule of thumb: reheat only what you're going to consume right away. For microwave reheating, sprinkle some water on your food to keep it moist, and always use a microwave-safe cover. This will create a steaming effect, which helps to keep your food juicy and delicious. The ideal temperature for reheating most foods is around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using an oven, preheat it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover your dish with aluminum foil to prevent it from drying out. Reheating time will depend on the type of food, but usually 15 to 20 minutes should do the trick. For stovetop reheating, add a bit of water, broth, or oil, depending on the dish. Use medium heat and stir occasionally to ensure even warming. And here's a bonus tip: label your containers with the date you cooked the meal. This way you can keep track of how long it's been in the fridge and ensure you're eating your meals while they're still fresh. Remember, proper storage and reheating are crucial to enjoy your meals at their best. Enjoy your delicious, well-prepared meals. So, there you have it, a week's worth of healthy meals, prepped and ready to go. We've journeyed together through the world of meal prepping for weight loss, and what an adventure it's been. We've explored the importance of planning your meals for the entire week, and we've seen the magic that happens in the kitchen during our cooking demo. We've also discovered the art of storing and reheating our meals to keep them fresh and tasty. Let's take a moment to recap some of the most important points from our journey. Remember, the key to successful meal prepping is planning. We've learned how to map out a week's worth of meals, focusing on creating a balance of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats. We delved into the cooking process, demonstrating how to efficiently prepare multiple meals at once. We saw how grilling chicken, steaming vegetables, and making a large batch of brown rice can provide the foundation for several different meals throughout the week. We also touched on the importance of proper storage and reheating. Using airtight containers to keep your meals fresh and reheating them properly ensures they taste just as good on day 4 as they did on day 1. But it's not just about the practicalities of meal prepping, it's also about the transformation it can bring to your life. When you meal prep, you take control of your diet. You decide what goes into your body and when. This can be a game changer for weight loss and overall health. So why not give it a try? Start small, maybe with just a couple of meals for the week. See how it goes. Feel the difference it makes to your diet, your weight loss journey, and your lifestyle. Remember, the journey to weight loss and healthy living is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take, every meal you prep, brings you closer to your goal. With meal prepping, you're not just saving time and money, but you're also taking a big step towards a healthier lifestyle. Happy meal prepping!